Have you ever gazed upon a field of sunflowers, their faces tilted towards the sun, each one unique yet undeniably connected? We too are part of this grand tapestry of life, shaped by an invisible force, our genes. These tiny units of heredity are the blueprint of life, passed down from generation to generation, dictating everything from the color of our eyes to our risk of certain diseases. Understanding genetic inheritance is about more than just satisfying our curiosity. It's about unraveling the secrets of our past, present, and future. It's about understanding the intricate mechanisms that make us who we are and how our ancestors continue to live within us. Just as astronomers study the stars to comprehend the vastness of the universe, geneticists delve into the microscopic world of DNA to decode the complexities of life. And just like the cosmos, the more we learn about our genes, the more we realize how much more there is to discover. So, let's embark on a journey into the heart of our cells, where the story of inheritance unfolds, and explore the fascinating world of genes and the traits they bestow upon us. Imagine a vast library filled with countless volumes, each containing a specific set of instructions. This is akin to the human genome, our complete set of genetic information. Within this library reside our genes, the individual units of heredity like chapters within those volumes. Think of genes as recipes, each one containing the instructions for building a specific protein. Proteins are the workhorses of our cells, responsible for a myriad of functions, from building tissues and organs to regulating chemical reactions. They are the building blocks of life, and our genes hold the blueprints for their creation. These blueprints are encoded within the intricate structure of DNA, a long double-stranded molecule resembling a twisted ladder. Each rung of this ladder is composed of pairs of chemical bases, known as adenine, A, thymine, T, guanine, G, and cytosine, C. The specific sequence of these bases determines the instructions encoded within a gene. It's like a language, where the order of the letters spells out the meaning of a word. In the language of DNA, the sequence of bases dictates the production of specific proteins, which in turn shape our traits. Now, imagine those library volumes neatly organized on shelves. That's where chromosomes come in. These thread-like structures within the nucleus of our cells are responsible for packaging and organizing our DNA. Humans possess 23 pairs of chromosomes, inheriting one set of 23 from our mother and the other from our father. This pairing is crucial as it ensures that we receive a complete set of genetic instructions from both parents. Each chromosome contains thousands of genes arranged in a specific order. It's like a meticulously organized filing system, ensuring that the right genes are accessed at the right time. During cell division, our chromosomes replicate, creating identical copies of themselves. This ensures that each new cell receives a complete set of genetic information, perpetuating the cycle of life. The intricate dance of chromosomes during cell division is a testament to the elegance and precision of biological processes. It's a carefully choreographed ballet, ensuring the accurate transmission of genetic information from one generation to the next. We are the product of two individuals, inheriting half of our genetic makeup from our mother and half from our father. This blending of genes is what makes each of us unique, a tapestry woven from the threads of our ancestors. Think of it like shuffling two decks of cards, one representing your mother's genes and the other your father's. When these decks are combined and shuffled, the resulting hand of cards, your unique combination of genes, determines your traits. Some traits, like eye color, are determined by a single gene. Others, like height, are influenced by multiple genes interacting with each other and the environment. This intricate interplay of genes is what makes us who we are. We inherit a mosaic of traits, some resembling our mother, others our father, and still others a unique blend of both. Section 5. Dominant and recessive genes. A delicate balance. Not all genes are created equal. Some, known as dominant genes, exert their influence even when paired with a different version of the gene. Others, called recessive genes, only manifest their effects when paired with an identical copy. Imagine a light switch. A dominant gene is like flipping the switch on. Its effect is immediately apparent. A recessive gene, however, is like trying to turn on the light with the switch already in the off position. Its effect is only visible when paired with another off switch, or in this case, another copy of the recessive gene. Take, for instance, the gene for brown eyes. This gene is dominant, meaning that even if an individual inherits one copy of the brown-eyed gene and one copy of the blue-eyed gene, they will still have brown eyes. The blue-eyed gene, being recessive, is masked by the presence of the dominant brown-eyed gene. This interplay of dominant and recessive genes creates a fascinating diversity of traits within a population. It's a delicate balance, ensuring that certain traits are more common while others remain rarer, adding to the richness of human variation. Section 6. The traits we carry, from hair color to habits. Our genes are responsible for a vast array of traits, from the obvious, like hair color and eye color, to the less apparent, like our predisposition to certain diseases. Some traits are determined by a single gene, while others are influenced by multiple genes interacting with each other and the environment. For example, our height is determined by a complex interplay of hundreds of genes, each contributing a small amount to our overall stature. Environmental factors such as nutrition also play a significant role. Our genes also influence our behavior, although to a lesser extent than our physical traits. Studies have shown that certain genes may predispose individuals to personality traits like extroversion or introversion. However, it's important to remember that genes are not destiny. Our environment and experiences also play a crucial role in shaping our behavior. Think of it like this: our genes provide the canvas, but our experiences paint the picture. They set the stage, but we ultimately write the script of our lives. Section 7. When genes go wrong, understanding genetic disorders. Just as a single typo can alter the meaning of a sentence, a mutation in a gene can disrupt the production of a protein, leading to a genetic disorder. These mutations can be inherited from our parents or arise spontaneously during our lifetime. Some genetic disorders, like cystic fibrosis, are caused by mutations in a single gene. Others, like heart disease, are complex and influenced by multiple genes and environmental factors. Understanding the genetic basis of diseases is crucial for developing effective treatments and preventive measures. By identifying the genes involved, scientists can develop gene therapies to correct or replace faulty genes, offering hope for individuals with genetic disorders. Genetic testing can also help individuals understand their risk of developing certain diseases, allowing them to make informed decisions about their health. Section 8. The future of genetics, unlocking the secrets within. The field of genetics is rapidly evolving, with new discoveries emerging all the time. Scientists are constantly uncovering new genes and their functions, providing a deeper understanding of the complexities of life. Advances in gene editing technologies like CRISPR-Cas9 are revolutionizing our ability to manipulate genes, offering the potential to cure genetic diseases and even enhance human capabilities. However, these powerful tools also raise ethical concerns. As we gain the ability to alter the very essence of life, it's crucial to proceed with caution and engage in thoughtful discussions about the implications of these technologies. The future of genetics holds immense promise, but it also demands responsibility. It's a future where we have the potential to eradicate diseases, enhance our health, and unlock the secrets of our own biology. Section 9. The enduring legacy of inheritance. From the intricate dance of chromosomes to the delicate balance of dominant and recessive genes, the story of inheritance is a testament to the interconnectedness of life. We are all products of our genes, shaped by the legacies of our ancestors. Understanding our genetic inheritance allows us to appreciate the intricate mechanisms that make us who we are. It highlights the importance of family history, as we recognize that our genes are a reflection of those who came before us. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of the human genome, we gain a deeper appreciation for the wonders of life and the enduring legacy of inheritance. It's a legacy that connects us to our past, shapes our present, and holds the key to our future.